Dressmakers and friends, here is how you can create your 3D cup chain embellishment. You will find this video really helpful, so don't forget to subscribe and also give it a thumbs up. I have here my pliers, I have my craft wire, and I also have cup chain itself. So the first thing you want to do is you would get your measuring tape and measure like a long length of the cup chain first. Once you have gotten like a very long length, for the sake of this teaching, that's why I'm using this short length, okay? So, but it depends on the shape that you are trying to create afterwards, okay? So you want to cut something that is long, all right? Then you go ahead to now bring the tip of the cup chain and the tip of your craft wire, and then you wrap it around each other like that. Make sure you press that very sharp end so that that sharp end is taken care of, so that it does not pull your client's fabric or it doesn't cause any harm. All right, so once this is done, you can now start wrapping the cup chain around the craft wire. Just cut your craft wire also, all right? Then you can now continue wrapping just like that. I am wrapping that spacing in between one rhinestone and the other. So you just keep wrapping and then keep wrapping just as seen like this until you wrap everything, like you finish wrapping everything. Just use this space. You can see the way I'm doing it, the space in between two rhinestones, the space in between two rhinestones. So wrap it like that. As you wrap it, you will see that the cup chain is becoming stiffened, is becoming like hard on its own. So once you wrap it and then you wrap it till the very end, just like this, all right? Once you get to the end also, you will use your plier. After you cut with your scissors, use your plier to press down that sharp point. That point is sharp and you don't want it getting anyone injured or something like that. So once you are done, you have this. This is now something that you can manipulate into any design that you want. You could create a heart shape, you could create a spiral, and this is just how it is going to like be. All you need to do is go ahead to like tack it to your fabric. Take a look at these various shapes that I have created using this method. So all you need to do is go ahead to now tack it to your fabric, and then the result is going to be beautiful. This is the final look. I'll see you again in this next video.